This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the Google search bar on your Google Pixel phone. So you can see I can move this around now, and there should be an option for me to completely remove it. Now the reason I have this option is because I'm using the Microsoft Launcher in the Google Play Store. So I can just go to this now and go to search and type in Launcher, or you can just type in Microsoft Launcher. And there's a couple different launchers on here, like Nova, Minimalist, but I'm using the Microsoft Launcher. This one seems to be pretty good. Install this, open it up, and accept the permissions. Then, if the permissions don't accept, we can just go to Settings, scroll on down to Apps, then go to Default Apps right here, and switch this from Home App for Pixel Launcher to Microsoft Launcher. Once this selected, we should now have the Microsoft Launcher on, and we can drag this all around now, and if we hold down on it, we do have the option to remove it. So this should just be a standard widget on your phone now, so you can remove it right there, and then you can add it back if you just go to the different widgets. Or there should be an option in the launcher settings right here. So if we go to home screen, we can look at all the different options for this specifically. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.